Is oats good for diabetes? Oats are the whole grains or kernels that are the seed of oatgrass, while oatmeal commonly refers to the cereal or porridge made by cooking processed oats in a hard liquid. Coarsely ground oat kernels are also called oatmeal, while finely ground oats creates oat flour. Oatmeal is actually made of oat groats, which are oat kernels from oatgrass with the husks removed. Oats or oat groats are the grain component in oatmeal. Oats plus liquid and other food components make up oatmeal. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index. It has properties to help maintain glucose levels. We know that those of us with diabetes like those types of foods. Oatmeal can also promote heart health. Oatmeal also high in fiber and aids in digestion. So, it sounds like oatmeal is a great breakfast choice for those who with diabetes. Oats are a fine choice for breakfast. Cook them up, add a little skim milk and cinnamon, and hooey, you got a great start to your day. High in fiber, low in sugar, aid in digestion with a low glycemic impact. Oatmeal have flavors such as maple and brown sugar and cinnamon roll, which are packed with sugar and very high in carbs. So, to make a complicated answer out of what seemed at first to be an easy question, oats can be a fantastic choice for those with diabetes. The average sugar content in oatmeal is about 12 grams. You can take oats in your breakfast. Take a bowl of hot milk, add some oats, some fruits of your choice and have it. Here I am having papaya pieces. Take this in your breakfast daily. You can reduce your diabetes in a very short period of time. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.